guys, happy Planner Wednesday. Sorry this spread is going up so late, but my husband's been off this entire week and he won't go back to work until Monday, and things have just been crazy. But I wanted to get it up and let you see it. Someone had asked to see my planner. This is my new one. It's the Happy Planner, and it's the Big Happy Planner. You can get these at Michael's. That's where I get mine, and always use a 40% off coupon if they're not on sale there, or Hobby Lobby or Joann's, anything like that. Never pay full price. But I have the Big Happy Planner. They have several sizes, and like I said, you can get them at Michael's, Joann's, or Hobby Lobby, or you can order online. This one was $29.99, but it was on sale when I bought it. I bought mine so late that I didn't really have much to choose from, although I think this is really pretty. You can get the 18-month calendar or the 12-month calendar. Next time I'm only going to get the 12-month because I had to take some things out that I had already done previously in my other planner. And I am going to be doing a flip through on my old planner, but I'm just not ready to do that yet. But this is what the front of it looks like. It just says do more of what makes you happy, and you can get any kind. They have different kinds. You can get rings that will expand this and make it larger when it starts getting real full. And then you open it up, and depending on what kind you get, it looks a little different, and you can write your name here that it belongs to you. And this is a 2018-2019 planner, and it lets you know that this planner is a vertical layout. They do have horizontal layouts, but I prefer the vertical ones. And this one also, the Big Happy Planner, fits the Polaroid snap pictures. Okay, and then when you open it up, it has the 2018-2019 because it was an 18-month calendar. Like I said, I won't do that again. So I took out up until January because I had already done that. And then here's January, and it just always has something really pretty, and it says coffee here. And then it shows you your month in a glance, and that's what I use to keep myself on track. But I always decorate my weekly spreads. I have so much fun doing that. That's more a creative outlet for me, the weekly spreads, but I love keeping myself on track with the monthly spreads. And it just has, now this one's a little different. Usually down my sidebar it's just plain, but this one has goals, important, and don't forget. And you can also get little stickers and make it more actually a planner, but I really just don't do that. And you can put things up here and embellish your dates more. I have done that in the past. And then here's all the months. And then when you get to February, it will say February, and anything you're celebrating you can put here. And currently reading, planning, watching, eating, just all kinds of things. Monthly goals, and then anything that you need to remember, like Valentine's Day and President's Day. And then this is real cute, and then it just goes to that, and it just keeps repeating all through there just like that. So I love my Happy Planner. I think it's so fun, and I love to plan with it, okay? And it's just so bright and cheerful when you look at it. And the themes change according to, that was May, and this is April for spring favorites. So I just really like it. So what I've decided to do this week, this spread is going to be from December 31st through January the 6th. And naturally, I decided I wanted to do a New Year's Eve theme. And what I made my own stickers, and I did it based on fashion dolls, how you can dress for New Year's different ways. And then I found a hat, 2 hats like we actually had on New Year's Eve. And I thought this paper would be really pretty. I got this at Michael's, and it was on sale, and I loved it. It just screamed New Year's. And I think I'm going to put this Scotch brand washi. I think I picked this up at Walmart in there to throw a little bit of, so it wouldn't be all silver. And then I'm just going to use a silver marker. And then I made some other stickers that I'm going to show you a little bit later. So let's take my pages out of my planner, and I hope everyone had a wonderful New Year's. We did. And you can also, like you saw me, take your pages out and then put them back in without hurting it. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be my dominant paper for my spread. I just think it looks almost like a big ball, a disco ball or something. It's very thick paper. You can hear it when I cut it. And I bought this paper cutter at Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $7 or something like that. I don't know if I got it on sale, but I got it well over a year ago. Well, about a year ago. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. I think this is really going to be a cute spread, very festive. Okay, let's put our paper down. And this is just Elmer's washable glue. And I love to use Dollar Tree stickers and washi. If I don't make my own, or sometimes I will buy some, but the most of the time, well, I won't say most of the time. Most of the time I make my stickers, but I have made a lot with Dollar Tree stickers, and I love them. You can make a planner so inexpensively using Dollar Tree stickers and washi. But I just wanted something very festive for New Year's. I think this turned out very nicely. Okay, all right, let's put our washi down. Now hopefully I'll be able to tear this. Sometimes you can't, and you have to cut it. We'll see. I think this is going to be really pretty. So it looks like I might be able to just tear it. Oh, I love that. Just looks so festive. Okay. Oh, I think that is so cute. Now I think I'm going to go right down through here because to me it needs to look a little more finished. So I'm just going to put that right down through here like I do sometimes. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. This one just says 2019, Happy New Year. And I'll put that right there. And then these are just some of the fashion dolls. They're just dressed differently, like you could dress for New Year's. Some more casual than others. And then like I said, I incorporated, this reminds me of the hat I had on New Year's. So I wanted to put that on here. And then this one reminds me of my husband's hat he had. So I think maybe I'll stick this one right here. And then these fireworks, I think they're really cute. So I'll probably maybe put these right here on New Year's Eve. Okay, and then I'll go back to my little fashion dolls. They're just so cute. Some are more dressed up than others. Some look like they came from a different time. And this one's really cute. I thought she was really super cute. But you can really customize it any way you want. But I just wanted something to show basically how you could really dress differently for New Year's. Okay, and then I have this one, and I think I will put her right here in the middle. Okay, so let me just write a few things that I need to do Okay, let's put my pages back inside of my planner and we'll take a look at it, but I think it turned out really cute. Okay, well here is my spread. I love it. I just love the paper, the different types, and I like this washi in contrast to all this, and I love my stickers. But this is going to make it extra special. I just took some of these fashion dolls and blew them up and glued them on this paper, and then I just took my hole punch and punched holes, and then all you have to do is just cut them like this and they'll fit in your planner. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop this one right in here like this. And I just think that really makes the spread look even better. Then I took this one, but I got something on it accidentally. But anyway, I took this one and glued it on here, and all I'm gonna do is just do this. And then this will fit. And I usually use my page in my planner as a template to get my holes where it goes. And then I'm just going to put this one down like here. So I love this spread, as you can see, and you can also write on the back of this if you want. But I really love my spread. I think it turned out beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.